dasheen leaves, also known as callaloo bush. So if you're going to the market on a Sunday here to buy bush, you're going to ask a dasheen bush. This is what we call dasheen bush. You're going to need okras, pimentos, onion and garlic. Now I'm going to be using a hot pepper. Now the hot pepper is just going to sit at the top of the callaloo. Be careful not to allow it to burst in the pot. And it's used for flavor. I'm going to use ginger. Also I'll be using coconut. Now the coconut, I'm really using the coconut milk. Now I'm going to do a video and show you all how to extract the coconut milk from the coconut. So I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. If you like, you could use your packed coconut, or you could use the coconut milk in the tin. It's up to you. You're also going to need a piece of pumpkin. Okay, so I finished cutting up all of the coconut. Now I have 4 cups of coconut here total. So I'm going to start blending them.
It's just a wine, just a little wine. Ain't no harm in that, right?
I've blended the coconut, I've extracted the milk, and I'm going to set it aside. We're going to put all the other ingredients together before adding the milk to the ingredients. Okay, so I already washed the callaloo bush, dasheen bush, whichever you prefer to call it. Already washed it already. I have it here. I used 2 bundles. I'm just going to run my knife through it. To the top of the pot. I'll start this by putting half of the coconut milk. And I'm going to place this on the stove and allow it to cook. It's half an hour later. I'm going to remove the pepper from the and give this a stir. I'm going to throw in another half, or probably less than half, but I'm throwing in some more of the coconut milk. Putting back in the pepper, and I'm covering this. So another 5 to 10 minutes later, just checking this here. Remember to always take out your pepper. Okay, so the bush and the vegetables cook. I'm going to turn this off now, and I'm going to blend it. Now traditionally we use a swizzle stick to swizzle the callaloo. I don't have a swizzle stick. That's history. So I'm going to blend it in the blender. Okay, please remember at this point to take your pepper out of the pot. You don't want to blend the... Okay, I'm just pulsing this on low. I'm throwing it out into another pot. Now the reason why I wouldn't put much more than that is because I don't want to have to blend. I'm just pulsing. Turn it to the stove. I almost forgot my key ingredient, which is my ginger. So I'm going to grate a piece of ginger. And this. Oops. Okay, that should be sufficient. And normally I put my ginger closer to the end because I like to taste the ginger in it. You could put it before, but So I'm going to cover this to about 5 more minutes and then come back. Okay, it's 5 minutes later and I'm checking to see. Thank you, dearie. Okay. So I'm now going to taste this to see if it has enough salt and everything's okay. Yeah.